As the world's population continues to grow, there has been an increased interest in finding ways to improve our overall health and well-being. One of the ways that people are doing this is by turning to natural supplements, like tonic greens, to help them get the nutrients they need to stay healthy. Tonic greens are a type of nutritional supplement that are made from a variety of plant-based ingredients. These supplements are marketed as a way to provide a concentrated source of vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial compounds found in plants. They are typically available in a powdered form that can be mixed with water or juice to create a healthy and delicious drink. One of the main benefits of tonic greens is that they provide a convenient way to get the nutrients we need to stay healthy. Many people struggle to get enough fruits and vegetables in their diets, which can lead to nutrient deficiencies and a range of health problems. By taking a tonic green supplement, people can ensure that they are getting the vitamins and minerals they need to support their overall health. Another benefit of tonic greens is that they are rich in antioxidants, which are compounds that help to protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress, which is a contributing factor to many chronic diseases, including cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's disease. By consuming tonic greens, people can help to reduce their risk of developing these diseases. Some of the key ingredients found in tonic greens include kale, spinach, spirulina, chlorella, and wheatgrass. These ingredients are all rich in vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial compounds that are important for overall health. For example, kale is a great source of